Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I pipe straight lines with royal icing. Icing consistency is important. I always use piping consistency when I'm piping lines unless I'm doing a wet on wet technique. You want your icing to be soft and pliable but still hold its shape fairly well. If you click the I in the upper right, I'll link my video that goes into more details on this. The icing tip you use is really personal preference. Every once in a while I'll use a bigger tip, but the vast majority of the time I use a PME 1.5. It's super comparable to a Wilton No. 1 tip, as you can see here. The Wilton tip has a seam, which could cause your icing to get wonky from time to time. The PME 1.5 tip does not have a seam, which is why I usually use this one when I'm doing lettering or lines. I've never really run into a problem with the Wilton tip, so it's probably fine to use, but all things equal, I prefer the tip with no seam just to be safe. Another thing to keep in mind is to not overfill your bag. This is as full as I'll fill my bag when I'm doing lettering or lines. It just feels more comfortable for me, which is helpful when I'm trying to concentrate on piping straight lines. Before we pipe on a cookie, let's practice on some wax paper. Lightly touch your icing tip to the paper. Once you have that connection, gently lift your tip off the paper and pull slowly in the direction you want to go. When you get to the end, slowly lower your tip back down to the paper and let up. The key is to raise your tip off the paper and gently guide your icing to fall where you want it to go. Make sure you're using a soft, consistent pressure the entire time. Now I'm going to show you what the lines look like if I keep the tip down the entire time. I promise you I'm trying my best to pipe a straight line. You can definitely tell a difference between these two lines and the ones I did before. Here are two more lines done the correct way. And here's a close-up angle showing how much I'm lifting my icing tip off the paper. Okay, it's finally time to pipe on a cookie using this exact same technique. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe and ring the bell to turn on notifications so you're the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.